Hello everybody, BMH here. Excited to be able to bring this video to you guys because I have a couple different things that I want to be able to show you guys. Not only back there did I actually get myself an FPV bag, but I now have two different systems that I can use. I can use the analog and HD system. In the process of upgrading to HD, I did go along and buy a Radio Master Boxer. I bought it off Amazon. I bought a orange transparent one. It's actually a very, very nice controller. I really like it. There's a couple things I want to change with it though. The gimbals, they feel a little too strong in my opinion, if that makes sense. Like they have too much resistance to them. So I have to go through and figure out which screw that I have to unscrew a little bit to make it work better. But I went through and bought myself a Air 65. I absolutely love this little guy. He is really, really, really fun to be able to fly. Obviously analog system. I do believe this is the 5-in-1 system as well, so it's pretty nice in that aspect, that I don't ever have to worry about replacing any small little pieces. It would just be the whole board if I end up having to replace it though. But yeah, that was the first, one of the first of many upgrades that I did for a drone, so I can actually fly indoors on like the days that it's raining and stuff, because here in Michigan, you know, it's starting to become spring and whatnot, but with it having been cold and snowy for the longest time, now it's starting to warm up a little bit and it's starting to get a little bit, you know, rainier. So we don't got any snow right now as of right now in my area, but it's still cold and a little bit rainy. The other thing that I bought was the rotorriot Fatshark Pro Starter Kit. This guy right here, so here I got the Fatshark Starter Pro Kit, or Pro Starter Kit, whatever you want to call it. And it comes with the goggles, charger, 3 batteries, goggle batteries, the Vision 40, so it's a little bit bigger than the Air 65 actually, but it is a walk snail system, so it's HD. I'm able to use it only with these goggles. I can't use it with many of my analog goggles though. And then it also comes with a Radio Master Pocket. I actually tested out the gimbals on this one compared to my Boxer. I really like the ones from this compared to the Boxer, just because of the fact that right out of the box, they're not as there's not as much resistance to using the gimbals on it. So in that aspect, I would say that it is very much so better than the Boxer. And I'm already going to be liking the Pocket more than I did my Boxer. I feel like I just got to get the profile from my Boxer onto the Pocket now, unfortunately. So this noob here has to go through and figure that process out again. I'm pretty sure it's just as easy as taking the SD card out of both of them and transferring the files from the models over from my Boxer over to the Pocket, but it should be set up right out of the box anyways from rotorriot as well, so I really shouldn't have to set up anything inside of it either. But yeah, I'm actually really excited to be able to bring you guys some flight footage from both of these guys here soon. I will be getting that flight footage because I don't have any of the Fatshark. I literally just got this morning. With the Air 65, I have flown it quite a few times. I keep forgetting to hit that record button for recording flight footage, so I really need to get on top of doing the recording of flight footage. So, but yeah, I am really excited to be able to expand what I'm going to be able to fly with for this this channel. So I will see you guys in the next video.